Hello everyone, my name is Govind. I did my engineering in Nitiminakshi Institute of Technology in the stream of Information Science. I joined Jspiders last month in June, and within a span of 1.5 months, I got placed in a team. I had 4 rounds. First one was group discussion. Once group discussion is done, shortlisted students were given an opportunity to give a technical written test, wherein I had topics like questions were from Java, Python, and also like some expression to write, and also in technical interview mainly they ask questions about the project. And in the director round, and I mean like HR, which is nothing but director round, there they asked about the like how what do you like about the company, why you want to join this company, and they discussed about the ambitions in the next 5 years, whatever I want to do, and where you will see in the next 5 years and all. And I would like to thank all the Jspiders team, and I would like to mention my faculty Rajshekhar sir for teaching Java, and SQL was taught by Channa ma'am, and web was taught by Pooja ma'am. I really thank all the Jspiders team and Jspiders football team. Thank you everyone.